Mirror vertical. This tool is useful to mirror object in vertical direction. Here, we have one object. Select object and press Mirror Vertical button. Here, you can see, object is mirrored in vertical direction. We can also mirror objects with shortcut Alt+Q. If we press the Mirror Vertical button, then the object is a mirror. And, if we press Mirror Vertical button with the Shift key, then the object is a mirror in opposite direction. Now, if we want to mirror objects with duplicates, press Mirror Vertical button with Ctrl and Shift key. Here, you can see, object is mirrored in vertical direction. Now, if we want to mirror objects with duplicates in opposite direction, select the object and press Mirror Vertical button with Ctrl Alt and Shift key. Here, you can see, object is mirrored, and duplicate